Students, today we are going to discuss chapter 11 trigonometry exercise 11.2 second main. The question is choose the right option and justify your answer. In that first question is given 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. So which option is the correct? Either A, B, C or D. Now see its solution. 2 of tan 30 degrees means, tan 30 means what? Tan 30 degrees means we know that is 1 by root 3. Okay, by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. We know tan 45 degrees means that is 1. Tan square 45 degrees means that is 1 square. Now 2 of 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 whole square means what? That is 1. Now we can write it as 2 of 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 what? That is 2. Clearly 2 anedi cancel. Then we can write it as 1 by root 3 by 1 means that is what? That is 1 by root 3 only. 1 by root 3 by 1 means that is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means what? That is tan 30 degrees. So what is the right option here? The required option is that is C, tan 30 degrees. Okay students, now second question, 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. Now I'm going to justify the answer. 1 minus tan square 45 degrees means we know tan 45 means that is 1. So tan square 45 degrees means 1 square by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees means that is also 1 square. So we can write it as 1 minus 1 whole square means 1 only by 1 plus 1 whole square means that is 1. So 1 minus 1 what? That is 0 by 1 plus 2 what? That is 2. So 0 by something is always what? That is 0. Option is the correct in that? Option D. So 0 by 2 is equals to that is 0. So which option is the correct? That is D. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. Now I am going to justify the answer. 2 of tan 30 degrees means what? That is 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees means what? That is 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay, now in next step 2 of 1 by root 3 means as usually I am writing 2 of 1 by root 3 by 1 minus here 1 by root 3 whole square means first of all individually 1 whole square means that is 1 only by root 3 whole square means that is that just 3. Okay, now simply I am taking as denominator as 1. Now what I am doing here, 2 of 1 by root 3 by doing like this cross multiplication. 3 ones are 3 minus 1 ones are 1 by 1 threes are 3. Okay, so we can write it as 2 of 1 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 means what? That is 2 by 3. Now I am writing 2 of 1 by root 3 into 2 by root 3. The reciprocal of 2 by root 3 what? That is 3 by 2. So we can write 2 cancel. We can cancel 2 and 2. Then I am writing this one 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 into 3 means we can write it as root 3 into root 3. 3ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు నాన్న √3 into √3. So √3 into √3 means √3 whole square. Again 3 will come. So now √3 cancel. 1 into √3 what nana? That is √3. So √3 means the required answer is what nana? Tan 60. Tan 60 means that is √3. Okay students. So these are the required solution for this question. Okay students. Next question number 3. Evaluate sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? Okay, so in this question 3 steps are there. This is the first step, this is the second step, and this is the conclusion part is the third step. Now given here, first given sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Okay, we know sin 60 degrees means what now? That is √3 by 2 into cos 30 degrees means what nana? That is also sin 60 degrees means √3 by 2 into cos 30 degrees means that is also √3 by 2 plus sin 30 degrees means what nana? 1 by 2 into cos 60 degrees means what ra? That is also 1 by 2. Now multiplying √3 by 2 into √3 by 2. So clearly numerator into numerator, √3 into √3 what nana? That is 3. Okay na, because of √3 into √3 అంటే √3 whole square వచ్చేస్తుంది. Then square root cancel means simply 3. Okay, next 2 2s are denominator into denominator, 2 2s are 4 plus again here also 1 1s are 1 by 2 2s are 4. So clearly we get a 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So the denominator is what nana? Same denominator and like. So I am writing LCM as 4. Okay, then you just add the numerators. What are they? 3 1. So 3 plus 1, that is equals to 3 plus 1 ante what nana? 4 by 4. 3 plus 1 ante 4 by 4. 4 4 cancel aithe that is what nana? The required answer is 1. Okay, so we get a sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees is equals to, we get what nana? That is 1. Okay, so this is case 1. This is what nana? Case 1. Now see case 2. Case 2, here given what is the value of sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. Sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. Now sin of 60 degrees means what nana? That is the value of 60 degrees is √3 by 2. Okay, plus 30 degrees means what nana? So individual ga manam cheste em vastundi ikkada? Sin 60 plus sin 60 plus 30 means what ra? That is 90 degrees. Sin 90 means what nana? Sin 90 degrees means what ra? That is 1. So here sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees we get what nana? That is 1. And we can conclude that the required value is what nana? 1. Therefore we can conclude that I am taking 60 degrees is A and 30 degrees is B. Ante sin of A plus B is equals to, we can write sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. What is our conclusion nana? We can write sin of A plus B is equals to sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. So this is the required solution for this question. Okay.